Hello, I'm Ken Prigmore. I do wills, trusts, and probate in the state of Utah, and I'd like to talk to you today about divorce and estate planning. It turns out a few years ago, Utah tried to protect your assets from your ex-spouse by creating a law that severed any access from your spouse to a gift that you had made to them during the marriage. This was helpful if you had left behind a will or other document that stated that your spouse was going to inherit your assets. Unfortunately, this severing didn't solve a huge problem, which comes if you have minor children from your prior relationship. Imagine for a minute what will happen if you die leaving behind your assets to your minor children. They won't be able to manage those assets yet, and so whoever is caring for them will manage them normally. And most often it's going to be your ex-spouse. That means they will have control of the assets that you fought so hard to take away from them or to separate from them and make your own. Now they're back in their hands. How could you have avoided this? What could you have done? Trusts, just like wills, can give away your assets to your heirs, but something special about trusts is that you can name a trustee. Your trustee is in control. They can manage these assets for any period of time that you desire. Maybe you want your children to inherit at age 21 or 25 or 30. Maybe you want the trustee to take care of them and pay for things like marriage or education or purchasing their first home. But you don't want your child to have full control of the money right away. Waiting until they reach a certain age gives you the power to determine when they receive that property and who's in control of it. Naming a trustee is your choice. You don't have to choose your ex-spouse. You can choose anyone you want, and that person has the power to manage the money and keep it out of the hands of those you don't want to have it. I'm Ken Prigmore. I do wills, trusts, and probate, and if you'd like to learn more about what I do and how I can help you plan your estate, please click the link below. Thank you.